Yo, I'm Karani, and today I'm going to be unboxing the AirPod Pros. I forgot what year these are from, but yeah, I bought them in 2022, and I really like AirPods. I had the first ones; those were really good, but they kept falling out my ear. And I had the threes, and those were just hurting my ear. So I just got the Pros. Gotta go with the Pro things. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing them. So first, we need to get the scissors. Where could the scissors be? Oh yeah, they're right there. Let's go. Scissors. Alright, let's go with this. But before I open these, make sure you guys drop a sub, like the video. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. We're at like 673. So just drop a quick sub, we got that premium lighting. So just drop a quick sub. So I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, let's just get the video started. Alright, so hopefully these are not fake. I ordered them off Amazon. Oh, pull this. Bruh, I don't even need these. I don't need these. Let's go. I'll put these in the trash. Alright, so we got the AirPod Pros right here. Bro, this lighting is trash. I thought it would be premium, bro. Look at this. Look at these guys. I thought it would be premium lighting. Alright. So, oh my god, let's... Yo. Can't do this with one hand, man. Let's go. We're gonna open these up. Can I see you, Apple? The premium box. I have to open it upside down. Okay. Let's put this back in there. It's already in there. Alright, so here's what's inside. The AirPod Pros. Alright, there we go. Not that heavy, they're really light. Okay. And then in here, you pull this. Boom. Oh wait. Boom. Boom. You feel? Alright, guess what this is? Alright, guess what this is? They're extra tips. So if your ears are gigantic, you got large. And if your ears are small, you got small ears. And then the ones that come in this are medium. So yeah. And we got this lightning Apple cable. That's what it's called, man. I'm a technology person. I'm a tech Apple person like Mark Brown. Whatever that guy's name is. Then you got this folder. Designed in Apple by Apple in California. You got them stickers. Yes, sure. Your boy loves those Apple stickers. Get those Apple products. Even though I don't even use them. But they're still good to have. And there we go. And before we open up this and then looking on the inside, we're gonna open up the AirPod case. Now this is a Mobusai Mob-Osa. Yo, what type of name is that? Alright, whatever. For the AirPod case. I'm sounding so slow right now, but don't mind that. Once again, we still don't need the scissors. Pretty sad. These are some god tier scissors. Look at this. Rubber kit. But yeah, disappointing that no scissors. Open here. how am I gonna open these, bro? I need a video recorder. If you guys record videos for free, then hit me up. I'll send you the Addy. Psych, boy, I'm not sending you no Addy. What you think this is, boy? I bet. See, I don't need to send anybody the Addy to record me. I can record myself, okay? Like, let's go. Alright, ready? Get ready to see the case. It's gonna look juicy. It's gonna look juicy. No homo. Alright, ready? What type of packaging is this? This packaging is slow, but okay. Okay. Hey, wait, what? Stick the inside and smooth out. Hey, yo. Somebody, oh, he needs some milk. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm gonna have to use the scissors on this one. Oh no, I'm not. I still can't use those scissors. We got the top of that thing, you know what I'm saying? Clean. You fool me? Even got that adhesive in there, you feel me? Like that premium stuff. This is the best rated case on Amazon, so you know your boy had to cop that thing real quick, you feel me? Like, 1v1 me IRL. Let's go. It's premium rubber. I'm not even kidding. Like, before I had this, when I had my other AirPod case, it was just some garbage. It's weird, like, it just ripped the back of it. I was like, bro, this is doodle. My shirt. Let's see what this is. Okay, they're very extra. Okay, I see. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Sure. What is this? Bro, bruh. To push it out, you just use. They even have a tool. Okay. Oh my god. This was totally worth $11, bro. And then this is not even the case that I wanted to get. I wanted to get this Gatorade case, but like, who's gonna pay $20 for a Gatorade case when you can get something as premium as this for $12? Take this out of the plastic real quick. Oh yes, so satisfying. Oh my god. It's like, this is not satisfying. But it's still good to open them. And these, they have noise cancellation and transparency mode. They have really good bass. So I watched like every AirPod Pro video on them, so I'm an expert on these. It's like, I'm just kidding, I'm not no expert on them, but yes I am. What am I talking about? Of course I am. You gotta trust me. There we go. Rah. Juicy. They're looking clean, bro. Gotta click. Just hear that real quick. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what the AirPod Pro looks like. There we go. So we got this black low ting here. I think that's the speaker. Okay. Actually, I don't know what that is, but it's just there. Little pretty clean. You got this little click ting. Click, you feel me? Alright, and then you got the thing, the hole, and you can see the mesh inside of there. Looking crispy. Hop off of me. Alright, and then we got this. Now I think this is the actual speaker. Yeah. And then yeah, it's just a clean shape. You put that thing in my ear real quick and feel it. See if it falls out and or if it's uncomfortable. Holy Jarvis. Yo, this thing feels great in my ear. Boys, this feels better than the AirPod 1 and the AirPod 3s combined. Both of these out. I don't want to put them on the mouse pad because I just cleaned it and it's kind of wet. Pause. Alright guys, your boy installed the case. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. It's looking juicy. It looks so smexy. Look at this light. Oh my, look how hard it was to install, guys. It got this thing on my, it turned my finger red. My finger's red. This thing was so hard. But look at this. Yes, sir. 2022 AirPod Pros. They're not new, but who cares? Cause they're still cool. So yeah, I'm gonna be ending the video off at that. Make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like, and yeah, help me reach 1,000 subscribers. What the heck? That's not supposed to be showing. Muscle power, yes sir. Alright, peace out. Ooh.